Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this knife block set. Now this is a 14-piece set that actually has a knife sharpener built in. I have not seen anything like this, which is really neat. And I also appreciate how it was packaged. They each had their own little sleeve that tells you what size the blades are. So these are your serrated edges here. It's a 4.7 inch. And look at the curves on this thing. I mean, that is perfect for your fingers to sit on, which is really nice. So you can just stick them in there and have it everywhere, like for any sort of setting that you need. So you get plenty of these, and you get your 5-inch blade. Open that up. That's a nice, flat edge there that you can just stick in here. You've got a 3.5 inch, and they do have all of these little tips on the top of it, which is a nice little addition. But they all just stick in here really nicely. You've got your 7-inch, nice big chef's knife here. This actually has 2 little tips on there. But I mean, look at how sharp and beautiful that looks. That looks really nice metal. And all of the handles have this non-slip grip on there, which is fantastic to easily be able to grab onto. You've got your 8-inch guy on here. We'll put him in. I mean, all of these have so much versatility. Here's your 8-inch serrated edge. So this would be great for cutting up bread or, heavy steaks or anything like that. They all just slide down in there real nice. And then you have your last little 8-inch guy here. Like I said, you've got your sharpener right here that you just take it and can easily sharpen that knife and make it nice, sharp every time that you are wanting to cook. But the real test comes with the actual usage of the knives. So I've got out some strawberries here. Let me put the rest of these steak knives in there. And we will try them out. And as you notice, we've got one empty little hole right here for this. Kitchen shears. I love having these in the kitchen. This actually has a little bottle opener thing right there in the middle too, so you can grab it and open it with a bottle. So that is a really nice addition. But let's get out our little 3.5-inch guy here and cut up some Oh, wow, that went fast. I wasn't expecting it to cut quite so fast. I mean, super smooth. You can see it's just cutting with ease. That is a nice sharp knife. These would be a great set of a great set of knives that you can use along with the scissors in any kitchen, all dishwasher safe, beautiful display for any kitchen.